Lock apps on Galaxy Tab Anine. Use Secure Folder, App Lock and Privacy Tools Method 1. Secure Folder, best for privacy. Step 1. Open Settings, Biometrics, and Security, or Security and Privacy. Secure Folder. Step 2. Sign in with your Samsung account. Agree to permissions. Step 3. Choose PIN, pattern, or password and confirm. Step 4. Open Secure Folder. Tap Add Apps icon. Select Apps tab Add. Step 5. Every time you open an app inside, it asks for your lock. Step 6. Want to hide Secure Folder? Go back to Settings, Secure Folder. Turn off Show icon on app screen. Method 2. Screen pinning. Lock an app in use. Step 1. Go to Settings, Security and Privacy, More Security, Settings, App Pinning, or Pin App. Turn it on and enable Ask for PIN before unpinning. Step 2. Open the app you want to pin. Step 3. Tap the Recent Apps button, then tap the pin icon on the app. Step 4. To exit, hold back Recent, then enter your PIN.